Hello, everyone. Miss Nikki here from Studio CIA. Welcome back to our punny video collection of Valentine's Day drawings. In this video, we're going to be doing an adorable brontosaurus. We're going to start with a oval-shaped head, kind of towards the middle because he's looking backwards, or she. And then we want to have this top line curve around. And then this bottom one will curve not as far. Give it little eyes, well, an eye. With some eyelashes, a little nostril, and a smile. For the back, we're going to do a smile shape going up, make a big hill, and then come back down, coming up for the tail. So again, we're going to do down and then up and then down. Cross out. So the big bump is his back. Then we're ready to add his legs. I start at the front, give him a wide leg, come across his belly, give him another leg. This leg's going to go up higher to create the opening of his tail, and then curve back, allowing that tail to get smaller. You can play with that tail, make it bigger or smaller, kind of whatever you want. Or, turn this into a different kind of dinosaur. It's kind of up to you. And then I added some cute little toe beams down here, little rainbow shapes. And then I gave it some hearts on its side. You could also add a belly on here if you wanted to. It's not required, but it does make it cute to add another picture. All right, now in these videos, we're gonna keep part 1 and part 2 together because they're so quick and easy. So we're gonna go through this again, adding the head first with the neck. Give it an eyeball. Eyelashes or eyebrows if you want them. A cute little smile and a tiny little nostril. We're going to do the curve of its back. Add the little feet. With the curve for the belly. And then the tail. Want to add detail, you're going to add the stomach, little toe beams, and his hearts, or her heart. And don't forget to download the punny sayings that you can add to these cards if you give them away to somebody you care about this Valentine's Day. The link is down below. I hope you love this video from this series. Be sure to check out the other 4 videos from our punny Valentine drawings. See you in the next video.